Well guys, sold my sawmill today and had it for quite a few years and really never used it too much. Kind of had fun with it, made like probably a couple hundred boards, maybe a few hundred boards, and most of the time it just sat around, took up space, and it was just appreciating. And I had a bunch of cedar that kind of laid it around, and we never really did much with it, so I decided to sell it. So here's a little video of how it went today. Kind of sad to see it go, but I got good money for it, and I'm going to buy Tesla stock, and so maybe someday I'll have another one. But this is goodbye to the Wood-Mizer LT40. I had it for over 6 years. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. No. Well, she's leaving town. So goodbye. Red. Hitch is kind of low. Last time we'll ever see her again. Hope that check's good.